Today in PAF, we are going to talk a little more about those special syllable endings that I introduced you to yesterday. The syllables all have consonant LE, and the E does not make a sound. It just allows the letters to be together as one syllable. So these are those special syllable endings. And when we read them, they sound like they're just one syllable. It's bull, full, gull, cull, dull, pull, tull, zull. So like at the end of table, stifle, bugle, twinkle, cuddle, staple, title, puzzle. All right. Let's take a look at these words and I'm going to underline those special syllables with red. So the first syllable is an open syllable. It's t-a, and the second syllable is bull, table, table. Here's the second word. This is the special syllable, bull. And the beginning, the first syllable is g-ab, gob, bull, gobble. Peb, bull, pebble. Tickle, tickle. Sniff, full, sniffle. Tumble, tumble. Angle, angle. And again, when we say this, we sometimes say it as ang, like a glute sound, like angle. Stable, stable. Chuckle, chuckle. Jumble, jumble. Sprinkle, sprinkle. It's kind of like ink, like the glued sound. Stubble, stubble. Stumble, stumble. Nibble, nibble. Sparkle, sparkle. Dribble, dribble. Marble, marble. Struggle, struggle. Now we're going to try to spell a few words with special syllable endings. So grab a piece of paper, and today I'm going to really help you if you listen closely to those syllables so that you know if there are letters that need to be doubled in the middle. The first word is sorry, I'm not sure why that weird screen popped up on me. The first word that you're going to spell is puddle. The first syllable is pud, and the second syllable is dull. Pud, dull. So remember, the first syllable is pud, and the second syllable, all of them are consonant plus LE. So that's puddle. The next word I want you to spell is middle. First syllable, mid, 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 and then dull, D-L-E, middle. The next word I want you to spell is maple. The first syllable is an open syllable, may, may, and then the second syllable is pull. Remember, it's a consonant plus L-E, pull, P-L-E. Okay, how about title? The first syllable is an open syllable, tie, T-I, and then tull, T-L-E. They're all going to be something L-E at the end. The next word is tattle. First syllable, tat. Second syllable, tull. You know what tattle means? When you tell on someone just to get them in trouble. The last word is staple. The first syllable is an open syllable, stay, stay, S-T-A, and then the second syllable is pull, P-L-E. All right, now the next thing we need to think about is, what if I have a word like this with one of these special syllables and I'm going to apply a suffix to it? It's just like the silent E words that we've worked on. If it ends with E and you're putting on a suffix that is a vowel suffix, you have to drop the E. So giggle plus ing, giggling, I am going to G-I-G-G-L, drop the E and then add ing. That's giggling. Twinkle plus ed, twinkled. The stars twinkled in the sky. So twink, and then L, I'm going to drop the E and then add ed. How about nibble plus ing? We were nibbling on snacks all day. Nibbling. Nibble, drop the E, and then add the suffix ing. These are all vowel suffixes, so each time I'm going to drop the E. Tackle plus ed, tackled. The football player tackled his opponent. Tackle, drop the E, add ed. And juggle plus ed. He juggled the balls in the air. Juggled. Juggle, jug, gull, drop the E, add ed. And tickle plus ish. We haven't even learned the suffix ish. Tick, drop the E, add ish. Ticklish. And now we're going to go ahead and start our dictation. So I'm going to start a new video and you can get your packets out.